Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now, if you guys have a Chevy, GM or Opel vehicle, guys, and you're trying to disconnect transmission lines, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to do that. Now, we have that Chevy Cruze here, guys, but Opel is the same way. For their newer vehicles past probably 2000, guys, will be that way. So if you're guys trying to disconnect the transmission line out of the cooler, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. You can see it's an Ecotec Opel engine actually in this vehicle. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get on our channel, so please subscribe. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing free videos. Now, those are the transmission lines. You have two lines going into the cooler, one here, one on the bottom. How you guys disconnect those things? Now, you don't need any special tools. This is the line. Okay, you need to remove that cap. Okay, pull it up. Okay, just like that. Now, you can see that spring, guys. Let me show you. There is one spring inside that looks just like this guy right here. And that spring needs to come out. Hold it with one finger on the other side so it doesn't come off and fly away, and pull it out. Once you guys pull it out, you're going to notice that you can pull the transmission line. Now, if you have a leak out of the transmission line, you have to inspect your seals. Inside right here there is a seal. You can see that's a seal, and there is one on this one as well. Now, when you install it, guys, you need to make sure that you push it all the way in, because that retaining spring, let me show you, is going to go on top of the line right here, and that way it will prevent the line from coming off. So if you don't push the line all the way in, it's going to come loose later and you're going to lose your transmission fluid, and you will not have working transmission. So we pushed it all the way in. We're going to install our clip. Perfect. And now if I grab it, guys, we're going to install the cap. I'll grab it and I'll make sure that it's not going anywhere. Always test that. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful for some of you guys having a GM or Opel vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.